record and absorb the subculture.
Hello everyone, welcome to Midnight Cherry TV for another little unboxing. We're talking about another CYKO KO product, merchandise, swag, whatever you want to call it here on Midnight Cherry TV. First things first, if you're new to the station, if you're new to the channel, we like to call it a station. That's kind of one of the jokes around here. We are all about some of those jokes. What we like to do here, we take a look at some fun stuff we like, some stuff we own, maybe some stuff we buy. We also do a daily history stream, so it's a little bit of this, a little bit of that. It's kind of a fun time depending on how you look at it. But we're looking at CYKO KO. Now, if you don't know what CYKO KO is, it is a comic book by Rob Feldman. Look at that crisp, kind of shiny red packaging. So CYKO KO is a comic book from Alterna Comics by Rob Feldman. I'm a big fan myself. I'm a little bit of a CYKO KO shill. Now you can see I have the cereal box, promotional cereal box thing. Okay, you might have seen that video. I of course have the Totally Psycho beach ball, which is always fun, right? I've got the the CYKO KO coloring book, which is a good time. Of course, I got the sticker, and then I've got all these comics. I got 1 through 3. Now it's only a 3-issue series. I got 1 and 2 signed. Look at that, pretty cool. But CYKO KO is kind of it's its own universe. It's kind of it's a unique universe, kind of poking fun at it's a third person kind of comedy, a little bit of Speed Racer, a little bit of Deadpool, but more kid friendly. It's kind of it's adults will get a lot of the humor. Kind of pokes fun at like Hollywood, old school movie making. 60s, 70s sort of kitschy beach comedies, horror, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. It's literally it's a pretty enjoyable book, guys. Pretty enjoyable book. So check out CYKO KO first things first, but we're unboxing these trading cards. So they created these 12 comic cards with 1 sticker. I got this as a gift for Christmas. As a gift for Christmas. So I'm pretty excited to open this. So I think we just get going. Check it out. See what we got here. Of course, got this easy to open red foil thing here. There we go, and it's opened. Let's check that out. So there's another sticker. So we got 2 CYKO KO stickers. I might draw a mustache, actually. All right, what do you guys think about me drawing a mustache like the evil CYKO KO on one of these? I think that's what I'm going to do. I think I need to find a Sharpie, find a marker, and do that for next time. But let's take a look at these CYKO KO trading cards. We have CYKO KO number 2 Gets a Clone, issue number 2, October 24th, 2018. Comic book facts. Steve McAnally, yeah, that was a good story. The Psych Fu, the secret art of Psych Fu. So issue 2, looking pretty sweet. Got Psych snowsuit, looking pretty stylish. CYKO KO snowsuit. We've got Peachy Keen, all super jealous, guys. Peachy Keen is one of the love triangle of CYKO KO that he has on the book. Trouble Comes to Surf City. Of course, they're all comic book facts. Did you know? CYKO KO. That is. Yeah, too many things on the board. Yeah, there we go. When CYKO KO and Little Kahuna were both inspired by totem displays at a theme park in Orlando. So a little bit of a Disney World inspired thing. Got the Mega Mix-Up, the evil CYKO KO clone. And more comic book facts. Now that's pretty good. Saw blade. The saw blade is how you tell, of course. A close shave. There's that saw blade. Looking pretty sweet. Right there. As Psych and the Cyclone brawl, Steve McAnally is coming out of his coma. So it was originally written that Steve was to fight at the hospital with the help from CYKO. Honolulu and Jaggy, both not seen in the issue but mentioned. But the sequence became too complicated and pared down. So you get a little bit of that. You get a little bit of that creation of the creation of the book, which is pretty cool. This is an indie comic, of course. Alterna is an indie publisher, and Rob Feldman. This is kind of his primary universe of comics, which is cool. I mean, look at all that. That's branding. He's got it all down. It is a universe. You can jump right in. CYKO KO makes debut. There you go. Issue number 1. Glorious newsprint from Alterna Comics, guys. July 2018. That was a fun time. Blipso Facto, of course, from issue 3, which if you've not read is pretty recent. But Psycho's biggest fan, of course. Sort of trans-dimensional traveler. A little bit of that kind of references to other comics back in the day, guys. The Devil Spider Beside You. The Devil Spider Beside You. Of course, issue 3. Double Trouble in a Mustache. Got Mr. Chen and the robot in issue 2, the Evil Cyclone. So, did you know the issue was wrapped and delivered when Peter Simeti, publisher of Alterna Comics, convinced creator Rob Feldman to place a mustache on the clone? Feldman revised the pages reluctantly and became the best part of the book. So big props to Peter Simeti given the idea to do the mustache, which check that out again. That mustache is pretty rocking. Kind of a great little joke there. Double Trouble in a Mustache. Enjoyable. So 2 cards left. We looked at 10 cards. Pretty enjoyable. That is pretty cool. Yeah, you got CYKO KO. They're doing a little bit of everything here. We got the promo, we got the comics, the stickers, the beach ball, and again, all of these things combined. Now, of course, I got these cards as a gift, but between the comics, the beach ball, the promo thing, it's still about maybe the less than the price of a trade paperback of most comic books from Marvel or DC. But check out that Alterna, guys. But Surf's Up Big Kahuna from issue 1, of course. Inspired by beach films and TV shows from the 60s. Certain Cape superhero, of course, a little bit of a reference there. CYKO KO number 3 with Blipso Facto, which is the most recent issue. November 28, 2018, I believe. Came out a little later than that, if I remember correctly. But yeah, mad skills, guys. CYKO KO trading cards. It's got, I kind of like it. It's got the classic, I like that border. It's sort of the classic 80s, 90s trading card style. Give it a little bit of a border. I like the comic book facts. Check that out. So we got the trading cards, the beach ball again. The Totally Psycho beach ball. We blew up on a stream a little bit ago. So good times here, guys, for CYKO KO again. Rob Feldman, Peter Simeti. I have to give you guys credit. This is a great little universe you created here. I am enjoying it. This is probably one of the highlight comics of 2018 for me personally. I think it's anyone can get into it. It's so kind of fun and just sort of goofy out there, which we like, which we enjoy. We enjoy at Midnight Cherry TV if you haven't noticed. But again, CYKO KO was a good time. Check out issues 1 through 3. Of course, there will be new issues hopefully in 2019. The trading cards, we got the stickers. Now these stickers are pretty quality stickers. I've seen a lot of stickers in my day, and those are high quality sticker. Not going to come off on whatever you stick it to, as well as get faded or washed out immediately, which is always what you're looking for with stickers. But again, this has been an unboxing of the trading cards and a little bit of a nerd out shill session on CYKO KO. Hope you enjoyed it. You can always hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you did enjoy it. And we'll see you again on Midnight Cherry TV for either a video or a history stream. Make sure you check out, we have a Patreon with exclusive videos and content, as well as a Ko-fi account. You can always do that. And we'll see you again here for another video.